Yo, let's get this watch list going here for Friday, May 10th, last one of the week. Um, Decent little day here. Just a couple singles for me and some big picture ideas from the past few days starting to set up. IBRX, I think a lot of people have lost this off radar. After this gap up day with the PR, after hours, it kind of squeezed out, and then the next day it just faded all day. And then this definitely caught people off guard. And now this kind of looks like a bouncy ball to me that I've shown on like an intraday setup. But on a bigger picture, you got this spike, lower high, lower high, lower high, and it's going right along this bottom baseline. So if this 760s, 770s, I think we get like a baggy breakdown type setup, and potential like a buck a share type move or so back down to this other volume profile into the 640s. So I'll be looking for that 760s to confirm. DFly had a small trade there today, I believe. Let's see here. The past few days, we were looking for that speed up. And then let's just do 1 minute. Off the open here, you had this pullback, and the past 2 days, that opening pull has set the low a day for the day. So once it broke down, I put some short on and I covered into this first pull, flipped long right down here in the 122, 123s, and I sold back up into the 130. And then that was that for me. Probably just take this one off radar. Mullen, I never confirmed over the 740s. Actually failed pretty hard off of that. So not really an immediate watch here for me now. It's basically doing exactly what I expect this name to do. It's a piece of trash. So I expected it to fail. I just figured it had a chance to squeeze, but if that was the squeeze out, then it could just be dead now. Nice bounce here, wicked under 26s and held very well. So now I'd look for this not to break below this 24s. And I'd look for some higher lows and then a potential breakout down the road. Again, offering risk here could come at any moment, in my opinion. Agba holding up. Don't want to lose this one off radar. And then we got DJT was noting that 50 break, and it lined up great with the opening range highs, pushed to 50 right off the open and failed, and ground back the rest of the morning and broke out on some serious volume and range expansion, and then trended there throughout the day. So nice 50 trigger there idea, and nice $5 a share potential there if you took it. No real plans here, like moving forward. That was the trade I was looking for. Weak opens could start to absorb, but it's not as high probability for me as just joining that 50 break. And then GME finally broke over the 17s, so right into close. A lot of times this strong of a close, I kind of anticipate that as being the squeeze out. And given this being options driven, if this gaps up, I think you get fails. If this gaps down and weak opens, I could see shorts trying to hammer it, and you get a secondary squeeze, and then they might try to bag those 20 call buyers. But it's just so options driven here, with them being involved. I prefer just cleaner kind of chart moves. But yeah, if this starts building, I could see this having a nice decent run with the history that this name has. So I'd be looking for 1750 holds off of open for a $20 parabolic. So yeah, that'd be my plans there. Would probably be IBRX and GME, my main two for tomorrow, and then keeping a watch on those other big picture ideas that I noted. So yeah, that's it, and I will see you guys in the room. Have a good one.